Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with TD Bank. So let's get started right away. First, just open up your web browser and now in the address bar, type in mod.ras.tdbank.ca and press enter. You will then be taken into the official employee login portal. Now just select whether you're in Canada or United States and click on the appropriate link. Once you click on this, you will then be taken into the login portal where you can type in your credentials. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Finally, you can click on the sign in button and this will log you into your employee account with TD Bank. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with TD Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.